Hello everyone, it is Erin Fletta here, and I am here with a real quick video for you today. This is the flip through of the second half of my 2021 notebook. Sorry, I'm getting used to saying 2022 now. This is the second half of that. So if you want to see the first half, I will go ahead and link it in the description for you. But basically, this is just a flip through. I hope this gives you some more inspiration. I do skip a couple pages here and there just for personal reasons. But overall, I hope you enjoy this video. And I'm just going to leave you here with some music so that you can sit back and enjoy. Feel free to pause and screenshot and all that kind of stuff to gather inspiration. And I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.